If you're a publisher looking to effortlessly transform your written content into engaging videos, you're in for a treat. Benefits of the video are apparent, but it's very time-consuming to create it. You'd have to write summary text, find suitable footage, generate voiceovers, insert everything into a template and render. I mean, creating high volume of these videos will drain the life out of you or your video editor. That's where Plainly jumps in with brand new feature VideoGenius. With just a click of a button, you can now turn your articles into captivating videos with voiceovers, headlines, subheadlines, and stunning images and videos. Here's a super simple breakdown. First, we need an After Effects template. Besides our pre-made templates, you can create your own custom branded ones. That's actually one of our greatest strengths. Other tools on the market are based on very simple slideshow-based templates, where with Plainly you can use high-quality advanced templates made in After Effects. Once we have our template set up in Plainly, it's pretty straightforward. Just upload the template, select which elements will be dynamic, and that's it. Step number 3 is article creation in Plainly. This is where magic happens. Step 4, revision. Here you can edit the video. Headline, subheadline, images, videos, and even voiceover. If you want, of course. Let's dive in and see how this amazing feature works. I'll be showing the web app, but everything you'll see is API accessible. That means you can set up custom workflows to make your video creation process even easier. Here we are in Plainly. First things first, we are going into VideoGenius over here. Whole setup consists of adding brand elements and setting what video types and templates the user wants to use. Once we set our brand and create our video types, the next step is adding an article. So let's go to add article. Here we are pasting the article URL and article text, of course. Just for an example, I'm gonna paste an article from BBC News. Create. Now this is how we are initiating our render manually, but you can do that automatically through API. That means that whenever you add a new article onto your website, videos will be rendered automatically. That's pretty cool, right? Here you can see that I added just one video type. For English language, project called Publishers Endless, and the template is wide. But you can add as many video types as you want, with different templates, different dimensions, and different languages. Now, what's actually happening here? Basically, ChatGPT scans our article and generates summary text. Then it generates a voiceover from that summary text. Then from that summary text, it pulls headlines and subheadlines. And finally, it searches for suitable images and videos from keywords. Then Plainly merges everything together and we get the final video. By the way, our render is done, so let's see what we've got.
London-based model Alexandra is creating an AI-generated version of herself to secure her future in modeling.
We have our headline, subheadline, we have a voiceover with summary text, and we have background image.
A survey by McKinsey revealed that 75% of fashion executives consider AI a priority for their companies in 2024.
I mean, this looks amazing, right? Okay, even if he had a template, your video editor will probably assemble one video in 30 to 60 minutes. But what if you needed 10 different videos for 10 different articles? I think that time savings are pretty obvious here. Now, what if we wanted to change something? What if we want to change our headline, subheadline? What if we wanted to change voiceover, background image? Well, we can do that by creating a revision. Once we click on this final render, we can go to Edit Video. Here we can change our headline, subheadline, voiceover script, and background image. And of course, we can do that for every scene. Once we are done with editing, we just go to Render Revision. And that's it. That's pretty handy, but of course our final goal is that everything is fully automated, so we don't have to do anything manually. How do we download our video? Well, we go to Preview and click on this button over here, right click, Save Video As. Now this is how we download our videos manually, but let's imagine that we have 100 videos or 1,000 videos. Downloading them one by one isn't really convenient, right? Well, that's where our integrations in Plainly jump in. Here we can select our project and create an integration. So once our videos are rendered, they can be sent to our email, Slack, uploaded to Dropbox, upload it to Google Drive, Google Sheet, etc. Besides these integrations, you can create your own custom ones using API and webhook.
What you saw here is just the tip of the iceberg. We are working on adding a ton of new features and new integrations, so stay tuned. This article to video tool is built on Plainly API, which means that you're getting full video automation suite with this. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit plainlyvideos.com to get your 14 days free trial for Plainly. Hope you like this video, see you in the next one.